Here's the new van. It's from '09. Gonna have to do a headlight job because they're too damn dim and it's a pain in the ass. See if we could get some DX. It's Monday morning.
Start the conversation and help stop crime. To learn the 5 things you can do, go to ncpc.org/.
It's gonna be a short video because it's hot. Surprisingly under 90 degrees.
Justice Assistance.
Featuring the news that matters and breaking
This local.
news at any time. This is Chicago's news, traffic, and weather station. News Radio 105.9 WBBM. Featuring the news that matters and breaking news at any time. This is Chicago's news, traffic, and weather station. News Radio 105.9 WBBM. Traffic and weather together on the 8th.
Very good.
I'm Mike Allison
signal.
with your overnight road
That's great.
work. On the tri-state, on your southbound side, the 4 right lanes are scheduled to be closed right at the Stevenson until 5 a.m. On I-80, roadwork on both
I'm gonna
sides.
make my coffee and I'll be
The
back.
eastbound side, your right lane is closed from just past Larkin over to Center. That's until 5. On your westbound side, the right lane is closed at Center, and that'll be in place until 6. On the Stevenson, on your outbound side, 2 left lanes remain closed from Kedzie to Pulaski. And on the Kennedy, the exit ramp to Ohio Street is closed until 5 a.m. Crews wrapping up a weekend-long roadwork project. Get traffic and weather together on the 8th. News Radio 105.9 WBBM.
WBBM AccuWeather. It is going to be warm and sticky overnight with a thunderstorm in parts of the area before dawn. Low down to 76. For Monday into Monday evening, hot and very humid with times of clouds and sun. Coming breezy with a strong thunderstorm in places, and there could be some downpours, hail, and damaging winds. High up to 92. AccuWeather real field temperatures around 100. And sunny to partly cloudy, breezy, and cooler on Tuesday. High 80, but in the 70s at the lakefront. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Matt Rindy.
Starting.
Impressive. They kind of resemble the voting table at Penny One.
You're right.
And these upholstered chest
Anyway.
look like they're also gliding on air. Here, also.
Thanks for watching. Bye.